Well, we constantly run into Jeep Grand Cherokee problems with these batteries, but luckily I was able to take this little pocket 2000 amp jump starter from LokiThor out there. It's got a flashlight on it. The flashlight has different code for SOS and stuff like that. Flashlight is on. Hit it again. Flashes. It's like an SOS thing, and then it also turns into a jump pack, and you can also hook like a type C into it over here on the other end. It's a supply as well. USB, type C, whatever you want. It's a cute little thing. It'll fit pretty much anywhere. Throw it in the back of your seat, throw it in your glove box. Here's my hand on top of it. The tip when you're doing these Chryslers, either the alternators go out on them and they take out the computer, the PCM driver for it, and you got to replace the alternator and the PCM, or the reason they start and die is because you have a bad auxiliary battery, which is this little guy here, and you got to transfer these little posts over to your new battery that you get. And this battery is the original battery that came in this vehicle from 2018. The OE battery, it's no good anymore. Neither one of these batteries are any good. This was testing super low, and the auxiliary battery was just flat out bad. If this auxiliary battery is offline, you ain't starting this car if it's got those two batteries. And where the battery is located, it's in the most ridiculous spot ever. And if you want to service it, you got to slide the seat back some, take the 15mm bolts loose in the front, slide the seat back forward, take the 15mm bolts loose in the back, then tip the whole assembly up. When you go to put the new battery in there from AutoZone, it's just a smidge wider or longer than the factory one, so you got to tap the little metal thing that it sits under to get it to seat down in there right away, and then the auxiliary battery goes right behind it. You got to pull the auxiliary battery out to get the big battery out, in my experience, and then to put the big battery back in, you got to put the big battery back in first and then the auxiliary battery second. But with the new batteries in there, everything started and running, and I've got 14.4 volts charging. We are good to go. Time to get in there and clear codes and everything else, see what needs to be reset. This thing came in clutch today, so big shout out to LokiThor for sending this to me. It's gonna go on my toolbox with all my other LokiThor stuff. Appreciate you guys. Love the product, love the high quality. Sorry I couldn't take you guys out there and show you me using this little jump pack. We got a new general manager and stuff, and it's been hectic today. So we've just kind of been moving, pushing, trying to get as much work done as possible. So again, really nice, small, portable jump pack. Love the product as always. You guys are doing a great job here. Take care, guys. Be blessed.